y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are gonna try making those viral TikTok food recipes which are very easy to make. I mean, they do look easy. We're gonna try it and see if it works or not, because under any circumstance we are gonna get to eat food. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. So our first recipe is brownie in a minute. So let's just see what we need. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons of maida, 1 tablespoon of water. So just put water and come. It's 1 tablespoon of water, and then 1 tablespoon of flavorless oil, which means you can use any oil. The oil. So the next is a pinch of salt. So a very little amount, and the main step, vanilla essence, because obviously vanilla essence is very important. So I'm just gonna put the essence in the dhakkan and then like in the cap, and then put it in the mixture. You have to put very little because vanilla essence is very strong. If you put a lot of vanilla essence, the dish gets kadwa. Pick a fork and mix it till you can see like the batter is formed. You have to mix it pretty well. See the mixture, like it looks really fudgy and nice. Let's just put it in the microwave and see. So we're gonna microwave it for 30 to 40 seconds now. So it looks like this. Let me just take it out. Can see. I'm just gonna do a taste test. This is actually good. I mean, the texture is nice, like not the texture, but it is fudgy, and yeah, it is amazing. People who like dark chocolate will kind of like this, but people who like sweet chocolates more, milk chocolates more, I think you can put in chocolate chips so that the dark chocolate is settled. But yeah, I think I'm gonna give this recipe a thumbs up. Also 9 out of 10 because it's a little dark, that is why not 10 out of 10. Baki, I think it works pretty much well. The next recipe is pasta in a mug. I actually saw a lot of videos related to it, but then I found this video on my friend's page. Like, she has a cooking page which is Tiny Delights. I'm gonna link her page down in the description box so you can check it out. So the recipes on her page are really good. Like, I've tried a lot of them and it never fails to astound me. I haven't tried the pasta in a mug recipe, so I'm gonna try it right now and see if it works or not. For the mug pasta, we need half cup of pasta, obviously. I've already boiled the pasta. You can boil it in microwave or on the gas stove, like whichever suits you, but you need boiled pasta. So make sure that you boil the pasta before trying this recipe. So what all you need is pasta, obviously, water, tomato ketchup, Szechuan sauce, soya sauce, chopped onion, cheese, and obviously the oregano and chili flakes. Like, that is optional, but I'm gonna use it. First thing to do is boil the pasta. Then you have to add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. The next is 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. I don't have Szechuan sauce, so I'm just gonna add the pasta sauce. This is the Fun Foods pizza and pasta sauce, so I'm gonna add that. Let's see. I know it will taste a little bit different with Szechuan sauce, but then we don't have it right now. Next thing is 1/8 teaspoon of soya sauce. So I have soya sauce here. It's the Melon's soya sauce. So I'm just gonna add. So the next thing that we need is 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. I have chopped onion right here. You have to mix all these ingredients together. Next thing that we need is cheese. Like, I am using this Amul's normal cheese which we have. So I have shredded the cheese and now I'm gonna put it in the mug. Wait a minute, I'll put it and come. So I have put the cheese in it as well. So now you just have to microwave this for 1 minute and then you can add chili flakes and oregano to it. So I just saw that this little hair was like tangled up, but let's just ignore it because it's too hot in here and I keep on touching my hair, so it just gets a little messy. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the pasta right now. It looks really yummy, like wow. I'm just gonna add oregano and chili flakes. So I have added the chili flakes and oregano and it looks really yummy. So as I showed you the pasta already, let's just taste it and see if it's good as it looks. It's hot. Wow, I mean, wow, this is really tasty. This is amazing. You have to try it. I could just use onion, but you can also top it with capsicum or any other ingredient that you want. I'm gonna give this recipe 10 out of 10 because it's super yummy. So the next recipe is bowl pizza. For this, obviously you need a bowl, some shredded cheese, baking soda, baking powder, a little olive oil, flour, which is maida, and topping of your choice. Ingredients I'm going to be telling you as we go through. 3 tablespoons of maida. Then you have to add 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Then mix it. A pinch of baking soda, like a little amount. Then you have to mix it. Then you add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then you need the pizza sauce. Again, I'm using the pizza pasta sauce. You need it 1 tablespoon again. It's on my hand now. So the next thing that we need to add is milk. 3 tablespoons of milk. So I'm just gonna add it. You have to mix it well. Why do I feel like I need to add the dry ingredients first and then mix it and then add milk? Then you have to put a topping of your choice. I'm gonna put onion because I just made pasta and a little onion was left. Then I'm gonna put the grated cheese that I have here on the top of the mixture. I think you can put mozzarella cheese as well or the normal cheese, whatever you like. It looks like this right now. So I'm just gonna microwave it and let's just see how this turns out. It was also written that you can add chili sauce or tomato ketchup, but I added neither of them. So I just added chili flakes and oregano to it. So here's my bowl pizza. I mean, it's not ready. I have to put it in the microwave first. Also ignore how I look because I cannot switch on the fan and it's very hot here. So yeah. Let's just see how this turned out. Ouch, it's hot. So let's just do the taste test. And we're here again. Pizza. Do you want to taste it?
Yeah.
So come here and taste it.
Chani.
It isn't that great. I mean, it is good, but I could have added garam. कैसा लगा?
देखो अच्छा लगा तो मैं खा लूँगा।
अच्छा लगा? It's nice? You liked it?
हाँ।
Come here and say it that you liked it. Come here and say it that you liked it. Taste it in front of the camera and tell me how it is. Taste it.
It is.
Ouch.
Oh.
But I think I could have added some more toppings. I just added onion. I think I could have added capsicum or something like that. Did you like it?
It's nice.
How
The dough
much
is
would
soft.
you? Thanks. How much would you rate it out of 10?
8. It's lacking things.
It's lacking the toppings, you mean? Like, I think the dough is pretty much nice and just the cheese, I could have added mozzarella cheese, but I did not have it, so I had to add normal cheese. So, जो भी lack कर रहा है वो recipe, it is because of my fault, not because of the recipe. So, yeah, let's just go to the. अरे फिर चालू कर दिया, बंद कर. So this brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you liked it because I had so much fun while shooting this. Also, my mom is very proud of me right now because I had so much work today. Like I was in the kitchen the whole time. इतने गर्मी में I swear kitchen में रहना is. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and yeah, comment down which recipe was your favorite and which recipe are you going to try.